CS 3351 Digital Principles and Computer Organization. Topic Direct Memory Access. Presented by Devi Visalaksha, Assistant Professor of CSE Department. Direct Memory Access. Direct Memory Access basically stands for Direct Memory Access. It is a process which enables data transfer between the memory and input-output device without the need, or you can say that without the involvement of CPU during data transfer. Working of DMA. For DMA, you basically need a hardware called DMAC, which will help in the throughout process of data transfer between the memory and the input-output device directly. First, what happens is IO device sends the DMA request to DMA controller. The further DMAC device sends hold signal to CPU, by which it asks CPU for several information which are needed while transferring data. CPU then shares two basic information with DMAC before the data transfer, which are starting address, memory address starting from where data transfer should be performed, and data count, number of bytes or words to be transferred. CPU then sends hold acknowledgement back to DMAC, illustrating that now DMAC can successfully pass on the information. The further DMAC shares the DMA acknowledgement to the input-output device, which would eventually let input-output device to access or transfer the data from memory in a direct and efficient manner. Modes. During the DMA transfer, CPU can perform only those operations in which it does not require the access of system bus, which means mostly CPU will be in the blocked state. For how much time CPU remains in the clocked state, or we can say for how much time CPU will give the control of DMAC of system buses, will actually depend upon the following modes of DMA transfer, and after that CPU will take back control of system buses from DMAC. Burst mode. In this mode, burst of data is transferred before CPU takes control of the buses from DMAC. This is the quickest mode of DMA transfer, since at once a huge amount of data is being transferred. Since at once only the huge amount of data is being transferred, so time will be saved in huge amount. Client cycle stealing mode. Slow input-output device will take some time to prepare data, and within that time, CPU keeps the control of the buses. Once the data or the word is ready, CPU give back control of system buses to DMAC for one cycle, in which prepared the word is transferred to memory. As compared to burst mode, this mode is little bit slowest, since it requires little bit of time which is actually consumed by input-output device while preparing the data. Interleaving mode. Whenever CPU does not require the system buses, then only control buses will be given to DMAC. In this mode, CPU will not be blocked due to DMA at all. This is the slowest mode of DMA transfer, since DMAC has to wait might be for slow long time to just even get the access of system buses from the CPU itself. Hence, due to which less amount of the data will be transferred.